When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review.
Curran and Brandon were absolute lifesavers. After a flood hit my bathroom, kitchen, office, and laundry ring, they came in with so much care, attention to detail, and true professionalism. They made a stressful situation feel manageable and treated my home like their own. So kind, knowledgeable, and reliable. Can't thank them enough.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.